In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a page as a template. If you find yourself rebuilding the same layout over and over in the OneNote desktop app, creating a template will save you time and keep your notes consistent. Start on a page that already looks the way you want future pages to look. That means setting up your headings, sections, and any recurring elements like tables, checklists, or placeholders for dates and action items. Think about what needs to repeat every time and what should be left blank for you to fill in later. For example, you might create a header, a section for goals, a meeting agenda table, and a notes area with consistent spacing and fonts. Before you save anything, do a quick cleanup. Remove any one-off content you don't want copied forward. Replace personal or sensitive details with neutral placeholders, and make sure you've cleared any private names, emails, or numbers you don't want appearing on every new page. Templates capture exactly what's on the page, so what you leave here becomes the foundation for all future pages that use it. When your page looks right, go to the top of the OneNote window and click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Insert tools, find Page Templates and click it. A Templates pane will open. In that pane, choose Save Current Page as a template. OneNote will prompt you to name your template. Pick a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, like Meeting Notes, Weekly, or Project Kickoff Outline. Keep the name simple and specific to the layout's purpose. You'll also see an option to set this template as the default for new pages in the current section. Turn this on if you want every new page you create in this section to start with this exact layout and content. This is handy when a section is dedicated to a single type of note, and it helps teams stay consistent without thinking about formatting every time. After you save, your template becomes available in the Templates list, and any new page you add in this section, if set as default, will open with your design ready to use. Remember, templates capture everything, including images, spacing, and any sample text you left in place. If you used placeholder text like type notes here, it will guide you each time without locking you into old content. That's it. Design the page, insert page templates, save the current page, give it a good name, and optionally make it the default for the section. You'll streamline your note-taking and keep every page clean, consistent, and ready to go.